Okay, we made it to FordFest, not without any issues. We got into a little accident on the way to the event. Fortunately, I was just able to dodge him with the truck, so we were able to keep on going after we handled that situation. Got here just on time, so we're a little bit tired. Alex hasn't slept, but you know, it is what it is. And it's just a fun day, so we can take naps throughout the day and whatever. But everything's teched, we're ready to go. We got our booth set up, it looks phenomenal, and we're cooking some brats. So ready to have a good day, put some laps in, and just have a great time. So after we do our first session, we're gonna ride around, look at some cars, check out some stuff, and it's gonna be dope. So see you later. Alright, so we're riding in Dalton's little Ecoboost car, and this thing's pretty sick. So it's, what year is it? Like an 89? 88. 88, yeah. So blue on blue coupe, 2.0 Ecoboost, making 425 horsepower. And it's really quiet, but let's see how this thing rips.
Let's get it.
What pump do you have?
It's electric column.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Does it self-steer?
What's that?
Does it self-steer?
Decent.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
It has all the
Does your handbrake work?
You gotta pull it hard, but yeah.
Okay. Why is it bog so hard?
I don't know. That's why I just did it all in second. Like, beat the piss out of the red one out there.
So, the self-steer is a little slow because of your column.
Yeah.
I super recommend doing like an electronic pump.
Yeah. Again, I did that before I was doing a drift car. I want to do like the Volvo pump. But
The Volvo pump doesn't flow enough.
what's that?
The Volvo pump doesn't flow enough.
What's the other alternative?
So I have an Opel in the race car, but the Dodge pumps are way better. I've got a Dodge pump in the Fusion, and it's like beautiful.
Gotcha.
And this thing just doesn't have as much angle as I'm used to, but like it seems to drive pretty good. I gotta just like figure it out. This thing eats, dude. It's sick. Alright, I'm doing Dom's job because he's sleeping, and we're getting ready to go back out. The first event, first time was a lot of fun. We actually got some tandems in, even though they said that we weren't gonna, but a lot of good drivers are out there, and our cars are ripping. So I'm excited to go back out, party with the boys, and get some good laps in. So let's get it. yesterday we had a bunch of fun, turned a bunch of laps, and now we're back out here. It's another beautiful day in Kentucky, and the crowd is huge compared to what it was yesterday. So we're gonna come out, give a good show, party with the homies, and do a bunch of party laps. So let's get it. I forgot to hit the button because I'm an idiot.